Hello back everyone. So throughout this session we're gonna discuss about looping throughout some properties. Here is it, you find an object and this object maybe have two property, maybe 100, maybe 200, you will never know. So how can you loop through any object property? Here is a JavaScript introduce for you something called it for in. You're gonna use that one to loop through any object property. Man, you're gonna use that one a lot in your daily tasks. So to use it, you have to say for, all right? And first of all, we're gonna define a variable. Maybe you're gonna name it anything, it doesn't matter, but you're gonna put here in, okay? This is a keyword, all right? In what? In which object? Here is it, my object name, it's called an obj. So I'm gonna put here the name of my object and that's all. After that, you're gonna say console.log and you're gonna say, proof, and here is it, the property itself, and you're gonna say maybe I need some space, and after that we're gonna say my object name, and here is it, we're gonna put that part like that, and it will be like that. So you're gonna say I would like to print out the name of the property plus space, and here is that you're gonna say object name and the value of this property, the value of this property. So how can you do it? The object name, and here is that bracket, and inside that bracket you're gonna pass the proof, this variable. So you're gonna take this variable, put it here inside this bracket, square bracket, okay? And here is it, the name of your object. This basically will do what? Will go to the first property which have a name and go to it and find out the value of it, which is basically Darwish, and print it out. The next for means what? You're gonna loop about all the properties over there. So the next property have a name age. You're gonna say here is it, proof will find out that age. But if you need the value, you have to say the name of the object like that, and square bracket and this variable. You can name it anything, it doesn't matter about proof. You can name it, X, Y, Z, it's up to you. So this is a format of displaying the output, and the output will be exactly like that. Name, which is basically name, and Darwish, after that age and 30. What about if we add, something more? We're gonna say tool, we're gonna say, 180, and we're gonna say something like weight, doesn't matter, anything, we're gonna say 80. All right, I'm just put some more property, favorite color, we're gonna say blue. So it doesn't matter how many property are there. Here is it, he will display all of them for you. Here is it, all the data inside that object. So man, this one is very important, because if you got an object from anyone, you are working with your colleague and you got an object and you need to know what's inside this object. No need to go to Google and search what's the properties inside that object. You're gonna use for in, and using for in you can find everything. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.